Hello, and welcome to Speak Mode English Podcast. I'm Maggie, and I'll be your teacher today. How are you, John?
Hi, Maggie. I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to learn.
That's wonderful, John. Today we have some fun topics. We will talk about public speaking basics, English for social media, English slang, English humor, real-life conversations. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start with public speaking. Public speaking means talking in front of a group of people. You may feel nervous, but don't worry. Let's talk about how to speak confidently.
Okay. How can I speak confidently?
Good question, John. First, you need to speak slowly and clearly. If you speak too fast, people may not understand.
Okay. Speak slowly and clearly.
Yes. Also, remember to smile. Smiling makes you look friendly and helps you feel more comfortable.
I see. I will smile when I speak.
Good. And don't forget to make eye contact with your audience. Look at people while you speak.
Look at people while I speak, okay?
Exactly. Now let's practice. I will pretend I'm your audience. You are giving a short speech about your favorite hobby. Start with, "Hello, everyone." Ready?
Yes, here I go. Hello, everyone. My name is John. Today, I will talk about my favorite hobby, playing basketball. First, I will tell you how I started playing. Then, I will talk about why I love it. Thank you for listening.
That was great, John. You spoke slowly, smiled, and looked at the camera. Well done. Now, let's talk about English for social media. Social media is a big part of life today. You may use Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Let's learn some useful phrases for social media.
I use Instagram and Facebook. What should I say on social media?
When you post a picture, you can say things like, "Here's a picture of my vacation," or "I'm having fun with friends today."
I see. So I can say, I'm having fun with my friends today on Facebook.
Yes, exactly. And if you like something, you can say, "I love this," or "This is amazing."
So, I love this is a good way to say you like something.
Yes. And if you want to ask a question, you can say, "What do you think?" or "Do you like it?"
What do you think? Do you like it? Okay, I understand.
Great. Let's practice. I will say something like, "I'm eating pizza today." You can reply with, "Do you like pizza?" Ready?
Yes.
I'm eating pizza today.
Do you like pizza?
Perfect. You're doing great. Let's move to the next topic. English slang. Slang is casual, informal language. It's not for work, but you can use it with friends. Let's learn a few common slang words.
Okay, I'm ready.
One common slang word is cool. It means good or awesome. For example, "That movie was cool."
Cool means awesome.
Yes. Another word is chill. It means to relax. For example, "Let's chill and watch a movie."
Chill means relax. I understand.
Great. And hang out means to spend time with friends. For example, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?"
Hang out means spend time with friends.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you try to use one of the slang words. Ready?
Yes.
I'm going to the park.
We're going to hang out at the park.
Great job, John. You used the slang words correctly. Let's talk about English humor. English humor can be funny, but it's also different in each country. One example of humor is a joke.
I like jokes. Can you tell me one?
Sure, here's a simple joke. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
To get to the other side.
That's funny.
It's a very simple joke, but jokes like this are common in English. Another funny thing in English is a pun. A pun is when a word has two meanings. For example, "I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough." Dough means bread, but it also means money.
I see. That's funny.
Exactly. Let's practice. Can you make a joke or a pun?
Okay. I'm good at swimming, but I'm a little fishy. Fishy means strange, but it's also about fish.
That's a great pun, John. Very creative. Now, let's talk about real-life conversations. In real life, we use simple sentences to talk with others. For example, if you meet someone, you can say, "Hi, my name is John. What's your name?"
Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Good job, John. After that, you can ask, "How are you?" And they might say, "I'm good, thank you. How about you?"
How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Perfect. And after you talk about how you feel, you can ask, "What do you do?" This means, "What is your job?"
What do you do?
Good. You can answer, "I'm a teacher," or "I work in a restaurant." Let's practice. I will be the person you meet. You start the conversation.
Okay. Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Hi, John. My name is Maggie. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. What do you do?
I'm a student. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Maggie.
Let's review what we learned today. Public speaking. Speak slowly, clearly, smile, and make eye contact. English for social media. Use simple phrases like, "I love this," and "What do you think?" Slang. Words like cool, chill, and hang out make conversations casual and fun. English humor. Jokes and puns are great ways to be funny in English. Real-life conversations. Use simple questions like, "How are you?" and "What do you do?"
I remember everything, Maggie. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, John, and thank you to everyone listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and happy learning.